Hey everybody, Rick's here. Okay, so what I'm going to do in this video is we're going to take a look at the AFMAT fully automatic pencil sharpener model PSC4. So, without further ado, let's get right into it. Okay, so this pencil sharpener was sent to me from the folks over in AFMAT, and they says, "Hey Ricks, do you think you could kind of like check out the pencil sharpener?" And I said, "Well, yes, of course. Just send it through the front door." So here it is. So let's go ahead and do an unboxing. Check it out. Whoa, interesting color there. How'd you know I like flaming, what is that, pink? Okay, anyway, let's pull this out. Yes, you've seen the box? There's the side of the box. What does it say there? It says, long blade life. What does it say right there? You know, I wish I could see. 5 sharpness settings, auto in and out, and sharpen consecutively. It comes well protected so that it doesn't get damaged during shipping. And all right, that's actually a pretty handsome looking. Whoa, you hear that? Okay. Oh, look at that. It's like an octopus. You got 4 suction cups right there. Check this out. Okay, watch this. That's not going anywhere. Just shake this table. Whoa. Okay, that is really on there. So you gotta break that loose just to get it to move. Anyway, here's the front of it. It's pretty nice looking, isn't it? All right, there's your adjustment wheel. Zoom, 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 zoom. We're gonna test those out. Okay, and you've already seen this here, right? There you go, the PSC4. Okay. This does not turn or anything. It just, let's give this a shot. Man, that is really, seriously, that's some serious suction cupping right there. All right, so let me go ahead and plug this into the 120 volt receptacle. Okay, and let's grab a victim here. Well, that's a pretty sharp looking pencil. So, don't want to use that one. Let's find one that's not so sharpened. Here we go. Here's one that's not so sharpened. So, let's give this a try. Stick it in here. Oh, wow, that was cool. Okay, so let's try from all the way over to the left here. That's the blunt, right? I know you guys always love to see me do this. Okay, enough drama there, Ricks. Okay, so let's do this again. Now that I just ripped that tip right off in typical Ricks fashion. So here we go. Did you see that? Okay. What do we got? Okay, we got a blunt tip. See that blunt tip? A blunt tip is where you don't have the point. It's kind of just slightly blunted on the end there. But did you see that? It just sucked it in there and it spit it out. How cool is that? All right, Let's try something else. I'm gonna get another pencil here. Let's try the next one. That's also a blunt, but not as blunt. Okay, so we're gonna try this. What? What's that? Okay, too blunt? How about sharp? I'm gonna go for full sharpness right here. Oh, there you go. Look at that, Skippy. Wow. Okay. All right, well, we're on a roll, so let's try this one again here. You know what? I'm gonna get violent with this one right here. Okay. Yeah. Looks like I got me a delivery out there. All right. Look at that. Just chewed that puppy right up.
We bit off more than we can chew.
Okay, so I'm gonna put it on 1, 2, 3, 4, the 4th setting. Now I'm not really pushing this in far. I'm just barely pushing this in. Okay, watch. Watch. It just took it out of my hands. Look at that. Look at that. That's amazing. The sensor must be right on the edge there. Okay, well there you go. Look at that. Do 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 do. Look at that. Isn't that song? Huh? Maybe I need something lighter. Something so you could see it. See? All right. So, break it again. I'm a pencil sadist. All right, I'm going to put it back to the sharp. I don't want blunt pencils. I want sharpened pencils. So, now look. Check this out. I'm just going to put it right at the door here. But see, if I just let it hang here, nothing, right? So I got to get it to where there's a grip. Ooh, okay. See, it sees it, and I didn't stick it in. There you go. That never gets old. Look at that. Man, that takes no time at all. Gosh, that's great. All right, so let's have some fun, okay? Look at these. Look at these dull-looking pencils here, right? Except for that one, that's sharp. Give me some dull-looking. Here's dull-looking pencil, right? Here we go. All right. So. All right, folks. Take a look at those. Is that sharp enough for you? Wow. Yeah, that's sharp enough. Okay, well, there you go. Now, here's the next thing. We've done enough sharpening. There's nothing else we need to do with sharpening. So now we're going to empty this thing. So, first I'm going to remove this. The suction cups are unreal, guys. It's really unreal. All right, so they said what? Shake it, shake it, shake it. Okay, and then just slide it out. That's it. Okay, you can see inside there. Look at that, you can see the blade. Wow. I have it unplugged, so you don't want to stick your finger in there while it's plugged. So let's see. Oh, here's how you remove it. Just turn it and pull this out. This is the mechanism that sucks in, I guess. You can see, let me do this here. Okay. I'm going to need some light. So, hey Siri. Turn on the flashlight. Thanks.
Okay, I turned flashlight on.
Yeah. All right, so let's see if we can flash this here. Where's that flash? There it is. Ooh. Okay, so you can probably see the 3 grips in there. So you got 3 grips. So maybe if I do it like this, I don't know. See that in there? Those 3 grippies. All right. Hey Siri, turn my flashlight off.
Okay, I turned flashlight off.
Oh, you're so sweet. Okay, so that gives me access to the blade. So,
Okay, it's now on.
oh, what's now on? Oh no, turn the flashlight off. Siri, turn the flashlight off.
Okay, I turned flashlight off.
Now go away.
Okay, it's now on.
Oh God, somebody help me with this thing. Anyway, okay, so anyway, Siri's messing with me. So, the question here is, can we, oh, did you see that? You grab these 2 knobs here and you turn it to the left, and that releases this thing, and then you can pull the blade out. It's a single helical, you know what I mean. It's a single blader, okay, and you see the gears that it runs in. So that goes in here, like so, and then but you want to get this back in there normal, like that, all right? Then you want to turn it to the right, that holds it in. Then you want to stick this thing back on, and then turn it until it clicks, and you're good to go. And let's make sure that I didn't break it. So I'm going to plug it back in. All my pencils are sharpened. Oh, here we go. Okay. There we go. And she works. Okay, everybody. Well, that's about it for this pencil sharpener. And I hope that you like this very quick demonstration of the AFMAT fully automated pencil sharpener, model PSC4. Please give this video a like, subscribe if you haven't done so already, and click that notification bell so that you'll be notified of my upcoming videos. I have more pencil sharpeners to review and other things coming up, so you certainly want to be notified of that. And I thank you so much for watching. Have a good one.